Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, heated seats, push button start, cooled seats, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.